Hey, what is up guys? So I just want to make this quick video sharing my experiences with you guys and the whole purpose for really creating this whole YouTube channel. So when I first started out learning how to cut hair, it was mainly all from YouTube where I learned most of my stuff. And at first it was extremely overwhelming with all the different ways people were cutting, all the techniques and sectioning and whatnot. It was just so much at once to kind of have to deal with and kind of absorb, and it's a lot to test out. So a little bit of a backstory about myself. I am now 22 years old. I went to school for hairstyling for a full year, and after working as a hairstylist, mainly working with women and men, I learned how to do all the women's haircut, coloring, braiding, perms and whatnot. It got kind of boring and wasn't really my passion until I really got into barbering and focusing more on that. And now this became my purpose, and I wanted to share with you guys everything that I have learned. And now with all that said, my goal again is to help you guys learn barbering in the most easy to understand and practical way with real hair and demonstrations, so you guys don't have to go through all the years and trial and error of learning all the different techniques that might not work, sectioning that just aren't useful. I'm gonna make this as super simple as possible and the most efficient and practical way that I know of, that I like to cut personally. This might not be for everyone, but this is the way I cut, and I found that it's super simple for people to do the same, to replicate, instead of giving you all the textbook ways of cutting that just might not be useful. And I'm gonna be continuing to share everything that I learned along the way with you guys. And I found that sometimes the way people teach, it might take too long for some people. You only got like 30-40 minutes cutting someone's hair, and you want to be as quick but neat as possible. And I feel like the way I cut, it's just more simple to grasp than a lot of the ways I've seen on YouTube. But feel free to test out different things, not just my own way of cutting. And with that said, I wish you all the very best, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or there's anything you want to say. I'll get back to every single person. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys with many videos to come.